Everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me. I'm very happy to do this video. I'm very happy to see you all. I hope that you're doing well. I hope everyone is trading well. Besides trading, I hope that you, which is more important, is to have your health and you're happy, which, trust me, that's more important. Trading will always be around. The stock market will always be around, and so on. All right. Today, for me, trading was good. Let me know in the comment section below how you did today, how your trading day today went. Someone on my Discord showed me screenshots of their trading, how it went today, and it was a lot of stocks that were that I had mentioned and were mentioned also in my Discord, and overall he was green on everything, so that was pretty cool. It was amazing. Happy to see that, and happy for all of you who have who are supporting my channel. Thank you very much, everyone. So I really appreciate that, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Now in this video, everyone, I'm going to talk about a company that I actually talked about. This company back in June 2022. We'll get to that in a little bit. This company has earnings that are coming up on March 9th. So on the 9th of this month, they have earnings. And I wanted to make this video because I think it's critical. It's very critical what's going to be what's going to occur, because I believe the company is the analysts and Wall Street experts are saying that, well, they had a loss. That, the past 10 years, the company pretty much had a lost decade. It wasn't great for investors and so on. Yeah, if you look at if you look at it, on the 10-year chart, yes, there was the stock wasn't performing so well, and then now recently, for the past 2 years, let's say, it has really done awesome. And some people say, well, this is too much. The stock is going to go down, and so on. I believe otherwise, and I'll show you and explain to you what I mean by that. First, before I get to that, though, just real quick first, ProShares, Ultra Bloomberg, natural gas, guys, BOIL. Boil is at 786 as I'm doing the video, which is pretty crazy. That's amazing. Just like 2-3 weeks ago, it was at $5, 520, 530. I remember somewhere around there. It's at 786 right now. Now, that is something on my Discord I talked about and mentioned that I would buy at 657. Personally speaking, for me, it doesn't mean that anyone should blindly copy me or anything like that. But I did say that everybody makes their posts in my Discord. Hey, I'm gonna buy this or I'll do that. And for me, Boyle was a buy on February 13, 2023 at 657. Right, not long ago, February 13, 2023, and that's at 76. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. If you want to join us on my in my Discord, the link will be in the comments section below. All right, guys, June 17, 2022. I made a pretty cool video. I say pretty cool because I had my little made up. I mean, it was my own made up technical analysis, and also to analyze the company and so on. I talked about Oracle Corporation, ORCL ticker symbol, and this is a screenshot of that video last year, June 2022. The stock was trading, as you can see, at $68.71, right? $68.71. And here's my little technical analysis. It looks horrible, but I forget why I circled this spikes right here, but there was a reason I explained in the video. Anyways, basically, I ended up with the conclusion that this stock is going to explode. Not because of those two spikes, but I mean, if you watch the video, it's pretty cool. It explains why. I explained in detail why I thought it would go way higher than 68, right? So the title of the video was Hyper Growth Mode. As you can see here, should you buy Oracle ORCL ticker symbol, stock now, or wait for a market crash? I thought, no way, Oracle is going to do well, and so on. All right, so did it do well? What's at $89.06 as I'm doing the video, right? That's a huge gain. In fact, right here where you see is where I made the video. So I made my video then. It went up, and I'm sure that whoever had seen the video then, and by August of 2022, going towards September, right, they would have thought, Mike's a genius. Look at that. He made the, when he talked about it, now the stock is, all the way up there. It's doing so awesome. The guy's smart. Then it tanked downwards in October. It went lower than the price that was mentioned in my video. And then some people would have said, "Well, he's a jerk. Look at it." Anyways, it's 8 months later, it's at $89. It's awesome. If we look at the forward P ratio, It's at 16.39. If we look at the P ratio, 27.35. What else we can see here? The market cap, 239 billion. Volume is 3 million, so it's fine. Shares outstanding 2.7 billion. That doesn't matter. It went from 68 to 89. So in just 8 months, I don't, that's not a long-term investment. That's still short-term. Don't look at it as ages. Now on March 9th, we're gonna have the critical earnings, and I say it's critical because for some reason, people are divided. People think that Oracle is gone too high. I don't think Oracle it has gone too high. It's not overvalued. It's still not overvalued. P ratio 27 for Oracle, I think is, let me know. I think it's good. It's fine. It's not overvalued. And now I'll also show you some deals that they had, some moves that they made after their previous earnings. So from the previous earnings to the earnings that is coming up in between. And then at the end of the video, I'll tell you my opinion on whether they will beat the earnings coming up on the 9th. So Oracle Computing presents a massive opportunity, yes, and also they should continue to drive growth moving forward with their cloud offerings. Oracle has an excellent cloud offering, and it has a large customer base, and it's also growing, believe it or not. No matter how big this company is, they're still growing their customer base, and they have opportunities to sell, to cross-sell its products. Increased security and focus on multi-cloud are some of the factors that make Oracle better than their competitors because they're really good at it. Cisco, if I remember right, and I think I remember right, Cisco did well on their previous earnings. They beat the earnings. They proved the market that the financial environment, let's say the market environment that we are in right now, really has a lot of a big need for companies like this and their offerings. And so that's one of the reasons why I am bullish on the earnings coming out. One of the reasons, but I'll show you other things also. This is just my opinion. And you know what? When it comes to companies like Oracle, who are amazing companies, or like Microsoft, or like Apple, to look at them on a quarter-by-quarter basis, I mean, it's important. I'm not saying it's not, but sometimes it's actually not so important because these are amazing companies, right? They're not going to get wiped out unless something crazy happens. I think that over the next decade, Oracle would be, but of course, then we have, unless there's a huge market crash, a huge market correction, which can push the markets so down that it would take a decade for them to recover. Then obviously, Oracle will be trading low for the next 7-8 years, let's say. But that's a different story. We're not going to talk about that. And nor am I telling you in this video that you should hold Oracle for the next 10 years. We're focused on the earnings. Oracle earnings expected to grow, says Zach Equity Research. Is it true? Is it not? Well, nobody knows. We'll find out on the 9th, right? 2 days ago, Oracle to enhance KDDI's payment and loyalty program. Also 2 days ago, AT&T Mexico transforms its technology strategy with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, which is obviously a positive sign. February 13, 2023, more positive signs. Uber forges cloud deal with Oracle. Oracle, now this isn't like a deal imminent, but it's more of an investment. It is an investment from Oracle in Saudi Arabia, but to boost cloud position in the region, but obviously in the long run that's going to return, right? You invest in the hopes that you get more out of it. So that's a positive sign, in my opinion, for the future growth of the company. Symphony AI joins hands with Oracle to embrace AI transition to the cloud. That was on January 16, 2023. And we come to the revenue, which is fine for me. The revenue for Oracle has been consistent, stable, and perfectly fine. Someone might say, well, here's some red spots. These red spots are so tiny. If you look at 2015 revenue of $38.2 billion, which is negative 0.13% compared to that of 2014. Sure, 2016 had a negative 3%. Other than that, there was growth. 2020 would have been growth if it wasn't for the pandemic, but even that was just a negative 1.1%. And then 2021, 2022, perfectly fine. All right. So overall, I think over the past 8 years, you can say that as far as just the revenue, if we look at it, Oracle has been fine, consistent, and stable. They do have a $1.28 dividend, which is pretty cool. I think that's awesome. And they are, the analysts are bullish on the stock, but they do give it a low of 55. an average of 95, and a high of 126 US dollars. In my opinion, personally speaking, for me, just to conclude this video, I think that Oracle is a great company. It's a powerful company. It's a great long-term investment, which obviously with any long-term investment, you should still monitor it, because if there is, let's say, a .com, if you weren't monitoring your stocks during the .com bubble, let's say, you'd be stuck for a decade, with stocks that are still trading lower than back then. Was that a decade? That was more than a decade. Anyways, so we still monitor our stocks, even if we say, like I'm bullish on Oracle. Okay, I'll have Oracle in my portfolio for the long term. That doesn't mean I'll be totally blind, obviously. But for now, and for the earnings coming up, at least for that, I think that on March 9th, that Oracle is going to beat earnings. And I think it's going to continue to grow over the next 8 months. I think Oracle is going to trade higher than $89. My overall thought is that Oracle can reach 106 US dollars over the next 12 months. $107, $105. I think it's going to go there over the next 12 months. This is just my opinion. It's just a thought. It's not a fact. Do not trade according to this video, and never trade according to any of my videos. But that's that. Oracle, I think, is going to do great. Let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, it's going to be on March 9, 2022. And I don't know what else to say. I don't want to drag this video any longer. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. Thank you, everyone, and I wish you all the best. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.